Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick one today. We ordered a Bison strap for the Citizen e812, so we're going to put that in. It even comes with a spring bar tool, so we're going to try to use that spring bar tool, see how it works. This is a 22 millimeter leather strap. I really like it. I think it's going to really dress up my watch, make it look better than this nylon band. That's what I'm going for right now. Now I did order the 22 millimeter. I measured this band. It was 22 millimeters. So let's see how that works out. We'll see. Maybe it'll be a little tight. I don't know. Let's get into it and find out. Now, this did come with some spring bars. You can see in there, but I'm going to stick with the ones that are on here for now. I know they work. I know they fit. So I'm going to stick with that. Let's get into it real quick and see what happens. And here is the spring bar tool for those of you that want to see it. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can remove the strap from this section. And you should be able to just pull this out. That 22 millimeter is a tight fit. Alright, so that's the removal of the old strap. And there is the watch. Our 12 o'clock is up top, so the buckle side will go there. Let's go ahead and take this spring bar off. See if we can do it with this tool they provided. I'm going to try to keep my finger on it so it doesn't go flying across the room. Thought it went flying. Alright. There's one. There's some crud in there. Alright, and there's the other one. These look a little bit rusted. We may end up using new spring bars. We don't know yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our band out of the packaging. Okay, guys, I've been test fitting as I took it out of the package, and it looks like it's just perfect, right? Nothing needed trimmed or anything, so I think I'm happy with this. So I'm going to attempt to use these old spring bars. I don't know how it's going to work, and it's probably going to be difficult. Because these things are always difficult. If it was easy, I wouldn't be making videos. All right. But it usually just takes a couple times. All right. I think let's. Oh, you know what? Look at that. I think my spring bar is broken. Look at that. It is stuck in. I don't know if you can see that. That end is stuck in. Both of those are. All right, looks like we're going to grab. Good thing this came with replacement spring bars. Looks like it came with 4 of them. So, thank you, Bison strap. Alright, this is my buckle side. Just make sure I don't get things turned around. Yeah, that spring bar wasn't moving at all. Oh, look at that, caught on the first. Did I grab the old one again? I think I did, didn't I? Alright, let's try this again. We're going to try the new spring bar. Those are out on both sides. If you can see that. I have to wait for that to focus a second, but yeah, those are definitely smashed in. No spring left and no spring bars. All right, let's see if we can get that a little evenly distributed. Get that in one side. Oh, much better. And then we're gonna push that down. Ah, we missed. This is the part where you guys get to watch me fumble with this for a couple minutes. But I want to be real and show you what this is like. Alright, I think we got that side in. We'll make sure it snaps, give it a good tug. And we put it on the wrong side. I got my time turned there. So we get to take it back off again. Why don't you guys tell me? Why don't you tell me that? Let's try this again. There we go. There we go. Buckle side. Oh, that looks good. Let's get the other side on, then we'll admire it. Now we're going to go to the strap side. One more try. That's more than one more try. Let's try again. Just keep slipping off. It's better than flying across the room. That's for sure. Oh, look at that. Now have a close look at that strap. Let me get these spring bars out of the way. That is a good looking strap, right? The stitching looks good. Genuine leather, 22 millimeters. And then we look at the watch. That is a beautiful, different look. I like it. Let's see if we can get that to focus a little better. I like this Bison strap, guys. I'll put a link to it in the description. It's on Amazon. Let's get some shots on the wrist of this and see how it looks. I think I'm gonna like this. Okay guys, there it is. What do you think? I like it. I really like this. It's gonna take a little bit for that band to break in, but yeah, Bison strap, got it on Amazon. I'll put a link to that in the description. I'm gonna wear it like this for a few days. It is much more comfortable than the nylon strap. Can't speak to its durability yet, but you know me, I'll update. I love this watch and always update about it. So I'll wear this for, I don't know, a couple weeks and probably do another update. Maybe a month. Maybe we'll do a monthly update on this. Great watch. Looks much more appropriate for when to wear into the office. And much better than the Iron Man. So, although I love the Iron Man, but we won't get into that one. Anyway, guys, just a quick one. Strap update on the Citizen e812 movement solar watch capacitor battery. So many videos on this watch. So check them out. I'll link it at the end. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.